two. Now it's all about you. Step three, step four. As you're walking out the door, throw up your hands, do a little five-a-side dance till the ball's sure done. Step two. Now it's all about you. Step three, step four. As you're walking out the door, throw up your hands, do a little 5 o'clock dance. 5 o'clock dance. 5 o'clock dance.
Hello and welcome to 5 o'clock dance. This is an 80 count, 2-wall, intermediate phrased line dance. The dance itself actually has 3 sections, and if you get used to listening to this piece of music, you will understand the sections. Start out weight on that left foot, take the right heel out on 1, bring it out on, back in on 2, take it out and tap it twice for 3, 4. On the and 5, you're just going to do that heel switch, bringing in the right, put the left out for 5, tap for 6, heel 7, 8. We're going to do another switch, bringing the foot in and stepping forward for the right, and 1. Going to pivot on 2, forward for 3, pivot for 4, and do 2 heel toe struts for 5, 6, 7, 8. Quarter turning jazz box with your right foot. Cross over on 1, left back on 2, quarter turn on 3, step slightly forward on 4. Repeat the jazz box without the turn. Cross over on 5, back on 6, side on 7, together on 8. Heel splits, toe splits. Count 1, heels apart. Count 2, heels together. Count 3, toes apart. Count 4, toes together. Count 5, step to the right side for 5. Touch the left for 6. The left side for 7. Touch for 8. And that finishes section 1, which is basically the verse. Next part is the chorus. So that's again 32 count chorus. We're going to take that right foot, kick it forward for 1, 2, and on the and 3 we're going to step out, out, and 3, clap 4, come in for the and 5, clap 6, kick your right foot for 7, 8. Right foot's already forward, so we're just going to rock forward for 1, back on the left for 2, touch the right toe behind for 3, make a half turn, putting your weight on the right for 4, do a rock forward with the left, back on the right, touch the left back, make a quarter turn on the left foot for 8. Next count, we're going to step 1, hold 2, step 3, hold 4, we're going to step the sides and do some hip bumps for 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Last 8 count of this second section, hands are going to go up, and you're going to do 4 step quarter turns. As you step, take your hands to the right. As you turn, move them to the left. So we're going to step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're done with section 2. Section 3 is what we call the 5 o'clock dance. It's 16 counts. We're going to start off by doing a sailor to the left for 1 and 2. So we're going to be behind, side, side. We're going to cross the left behind and unwind on 4. Going to repeat that. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Give me a forward coaster step, 2 steps back. 1 and 2, back 3, 4. A back coaster. 5 and 6, forward 7, 8, and the dance starts again. All right, let's walk through this whole thing without a stop. Here we go. 7, 8. Heel, together, heel, heel. Switch heel, together, heel, heel, and step, turn, strut. 1, strut, 2. Cross over, step back, quarter turn, step forward, cross over, step back to the side. Heel, split, toes, split, right side, touch, left, touch, kick, kick, out, out, in, kick, kick, forward, back, touch, turn, forward, back, quarter turn, step, hold, hips right, hips left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sailor here, sailor 1, cross, turn, sailor 2, cross, turn, shuffle, back, back, coaster, forward, forward. Alrighty, you ready to go? Now here the pattern goes, it'll go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and after you do, you'll be facing the back wall. The second time, you'll do the 5 o'clock dance 2 times in a row. Okay? Then you start the dance over and you only do the first 64 counts, which is through the hand wave. And she says, step 1 again when you go back to the kick, kick. Okay? Dance the dance to the end. You'll be facing this wall at the end. You got 1 count of music left. So you've made that last sailor step, coaster, coaster. So you've gone with that back coaster step. You got 1 step left. You're going to do just a quarter turn to the right, and the music stops. 5 o'clock dance. Hope you have fun with it. Take care. We'll see you again on the next video.